How to transfer money from Robinhood. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can withdraw money from Robinhood to your bank account. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up your Robinhood application, and once you open it up, what you want to do is you want to head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And once here you'll get an interface like this. Tap on the settings icon or the gear icon at the top left corner of your screen. Now under menu you'll get various options that says investing, transfers, statements and history, settings and help. Now in my case there is no any options such as investing and transfers. It's because I don't have my account verified. You can see here I don't have any bank account linked here, so it's not showing me, but it'll show up. And there you want to tap on transfers and then select your transfer to bank account. Go ahead and add in your details and you're good to go. So this way you can withdraw money from Robinhood. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.